In this video, I'll show you how to back up your PS1, PS2, and PS3 games using your PC. No console mods required, just some free tools and a bit of time. Let's jump in. Let's kick things off with the original PlayStation, the PS1. You need only a CD drive that can read your disc and a free tool called Image Burn. First, you're going to download and install Image Burn. You can get it from imgburn.com. You are going to click on the first link. Once you are on the download page, make sure to click the link that says provided by Image Burn. That link will download directly from their website. Next, you're going to open Image Burn and choose Create Image File from Disk. Then you're going to insert your PS1 disc into your CD drive. A DVD or Blu-ray drive should also work. After you choose Create Image File from Disk, you want to set the output format as bin/q. Make sure you give your file a good name. For example, I am backing up the Game of Life, so you would call it the gameoflife.bin. Finally, you want to click the disk to file icon to start the rip. In a few minutes, you'll have a one-to-one backup of your game. These files work perfectly with emulators like DuckStation or RetroArch. Now that you have your PS1 games backed up, we are going to combine games with multiple bin files into one bin file. This does not work on multi-disc games. You must keep each disc as a separate bin file. The tool we will be using is CDMage. First, Google CDMage. Make sure to click on the first link. Now that you are on the download page, download Beta 1.02.1. Once downloaded, you will run CDMage. It will ask you to extract it. Make sure you set it to your Downloads folder. With CDMage installed, we will use it to shrink games into one bin file. For example, the game Tetris Plus has over 52 bin files. Open CDMage, then click File, Open, then you will look for where you have your game stored. Once you find your game, you will open the Q file. Now that you have the game open, you will click File, Save As. Make sure you save to a different folder than the one that has the original copy of the game. Once everything is done, you will have converted your multi-bin game into one bin file. Next up is the PlayStation 2, one of the best-selling consoles of all time. For this, you'll use the same tools, a DVD drive and Image Burn. The process is almost identical to the PS1, but with one key difference. Insert your PS2 disc into the DVD drive. Open Image Burn and choose Create Image File from Disk. This time, set the output format to ISO instead of bin/CUE. Start the rip. Expect a slightly longer rip time. PS2 games are typically larger than PS1 games, so the process takes more time. Now you have ISO files that work perfectly with the emulator PCSX2. Alright, now let's move on to the PlayStation 3, the big one. This step's a little more advanced, but it's still super doable with the right tools. You won't need a jailbroken console, just a compatible Blu-ray drive and a free program called PS3 Disk Dump. First, download the latest version of PS3 Disk Dump from its GitHub page. Once you are on the download page, make sure to get the latest version of PS3 Disk Dumper. Extract the zip file and open the folder. Insert your PS3 game disc into your Blu-ray drive. Open the folder and run ps3 diskdump.exe. The tool will detect your disk and automatically begin dumping and decrypting it. Games may take 30 to 60 minutes to rip depending on disk size and drive speed. Once it's done, you'll have a folder with ps3_game, ps3_update, and ps3_disk.sfb. Keep everything in that structure, don't change the folder names or move files around. Except for the top folder, you can change it to game name and region code. Some tips are: don't convert the folder to ISO. RPCS3, the only good PS3 emulator, works best with folder format.